Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix battery draining on Samsung Galaxy Book4. So first, go into the right bottom panel and lower the brightness as I have. Now click the battery. Here you have the energy recommendations. It's best for you to apply all of them, but I can't do it right now because it would disturb my video. The power mode, select the best power efficiency. Now screen, sleep and hibernate timeouts. If you did the energy recommendations, here you should have 5 minutes or less, but if you don't, then select here 5 minutes, here 3 minutes as recommended, or even less. Now the energy saver, you can select always use energy saver or turn energy saver on automatically when the battery level is at, for example, 50%. Battery usage. Here we have the battery usage. You can see what app drain your battery the most and maybe not use it that much. Then click on the gray panel at the very bottom, right click and task manager. Here we have the startup apps, and if you have enabled some startup apps that you don't need to be to start every time you power on your computer, then click and disable it. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.